Hello everyone, welcome again to my session, and that is Akanksha, communication coach. But today I have a special session because we have Sasi Rekha here, who is psychotherapist. She is a work-life alchemist, psychotherapist, transformational life coach, and graphologist, healer, LOA coach, NLP master practitioner, founder of Limitless Life Hub. Now, the last question I would have from you is, how do you help? What is your system or what is your model? How do you work with your client?
Okay. See, I have a community and I have four levels of services that I provide. In my
Okay.
first level, I call it as empower, meaning
Okay.
you might be burning out of one particular issue, which you hardly need someone to, talk to, need some kind of a support. In empower, what will happen is I will just clearly show you, you are here, the problem is here, there is a gap.
Okay. Okay.
I can only show you there is a gap.
Hmm.
Okay. And I will also tell them with graphology, because I use graphology as a tool to make them understand themselves as a manual.
Okay.
With graphology, you will get to know what is their real inborn strengths, their
Hmm.
weaknesses, their thinking style, their communication style, in fact, their diseases, which is not even shown in the body.
Wow.
So, this means if the person is always analytical and is expected to be very romantic,
Hmm. True.
not
True.
always it's going to work, right? So
Hmm.
we, if they are coming as couple, I tell them both of them give me your handwriting sample. So this
Hmm.
way you will get a clear cut picture of why you are doing what you're doing,
Wow.
and you will get to know an awareness of why you are exactly in this particular issue. I believe there is many times I asked that question of why me during when I was those 2 years I was
Hmm.
saying. So I don't want that why question to continue for a longer time,
Hmm.
because I
Hmm.
figured out a way to understand why that has happened to me. So I
Hmm.
wanted to show you as a third person, you look at your own problem and it's like, oh wow, here is what the problem is. And you
Hmm.
put yourself in this place, there is a gap. This is
I
empower.
mean, it is a eye opener. Okay, this is the problem I have, which I never knew. So I
Hmm.
think that's where the first thing is, I think, finding out the problem, and then you get the solution, right?
Yes. In
Yeah.
fact, this becomes like a very big mind blowing experience for many
Hmm.
of my
Hmm.
clients. I tell you frankly,
Hmm.
as I told you, like one of my client always used to complain about, his wife who is a
Hmm.
chartered accountant. She's good at numbers, and he
Hmm.
always tells like, when it comes to relationship, she is not as loving as I am.
Oh.
Told him that she is basically an analytical thinker, which is nothing but you think you take decisions out of your head and not from
Correct.
your heart.
Correct. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
that doesn't mean she doesn't have a romance, but she'll, when it comes to showing, she's of that sort.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
that husband understands, oh,
Got
she
it.
is naturally like that. But of
Hmm.
course, she is
Hmm.
blessed that she decided to take a chartered accountancy, which is all about numbers, and she made her career so successful.
Yeah. Correct.
And
Correct.
now he doesn't expect that. In fact,
Hmm.
he says like, okay, whatever it is I keep expressing, at any point you feel like reciprocating, please do.
Wow. And you
Won't
know
that?
what, Surekha?
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing this point because in communication we have a topic or a subject called communication style, and there is a style known as analytical because people who are analytical, who are based on the data, they will talk analytical only. They will talk facts only. So I think your patient you were talking about, she is kind of that nature, and that is why she was using her brain, the facts, the data. So
Yeah.
now I relate to it.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
for
And we
sharing.
don't call our patient as patient, we call clients.
Oh, thank you.
Because that's
Okay,
also
that's
a
perfect. Yes,
communication.
of
It's a
course.
positive
Of
way
course,
of
they are
saying
your
it.
client. Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry for that. Yeah,
No, no issues. So
yeah.
this way, that gap is clearly shown. That's the level one. My level two is evolve, where
Hmm.
you are getting the ideas and strategies and implementation techniques to clear that out. That is evolve is the level 2 product, and level 3 is actually a complete 360-degree life coaching where I help with the burning issues and sensations of stress in every area of your life. The
Okay.
idea or the aim is to make you live a healthier life in every aspect
Got
without
it.
any stress. You become like a very balanced person, more
Mm.
balance, and you will see you are working yourself on a fullest potential. The moment you think of something, you will be able to achieve it because you become a neutralized person. Nothing is a good news or a bad news for you.
Correct.
That was the
Yeah.
level you want to be in, because our mind reacts to every stimuli. But when you take a pause and respond to it, life becomes more beautiful. Nobody will be in a jagda with the other person.
Correct.
In a challenge, nobody will regret for what they have done in their life because they have taken a pause, thought on it, and then said, this is what I'm doing.
Got
So
it.
that balanced perspective is what we are aiming at our level 3, which is the enrich. Second level is evolve, third level is enrich. So in enrich, we help you at different areas of your life and you become a completely different person altogether. So
Right.
in beginning level, I used to give a parameters that we will be gauging on to understand your life. That it's will show a big fact on your face, that it will be blaring at your face that, oh my god, am I standing at this level? Kind of scorecard that I have. We will use this scorecard at level 3 after the completion of enrich, and you will see yourself scoring higher.
Before, after kind of thing, right?
Definitely.
Yeah.
And
that I think that's changed the whole paradigm.
Absolutely.
When they understand, when they see themselves that yes, I have changed now. So I think that's they give them satisfaction of getting the result, right?
Yes. And my L4 is becoming a life coach who can support the other people.
Okay, so you also help them to become the
career guiding path, or a personal guiding path in relationship or whatever that they are specialized in, but they have to make their life beautiful and healthy, happy, abundantly living life, so that they can start supporting other person. When you are burning, you can never lighten up the other person. It can never happen.
Wow. So to conclude this, I'm sure, Sasirekha, that you are a gem of a person and you have taken it as a purpose of your life, that you are helping, not only you help yourself, but you are also helping others to live a life what you are living right now. The stress-free life, the work-life balance, and everything, whatever you have mentioned, you are doing that service to others, and I'm sure you will be blessed with their energy. So thanks for doing that, and thanks for being here, because I'm sure that in my community also, the people I know, the people who are watching this, they will also get the idea that yes, we can also change our life and we can also remove all those stress what they are facing right now. So thanks for sharing all these nuggets, and I'm sure that people will be connecting to you and they will be asking you more questions through this session.
Thank you so much
for being here. Thank you.